Certainly, the functools module in Python is a standard library module that provides higher-order functions, which are functions that act on or return other functions. This module includes utilities for functional programming, making it easier to work with callable objects. Here's a comprehensive tutorial on some of the most useful features of the functools module, along with code examples. It's a part of functional programming that allows you to combine items in an iterable. Example Python from functools import reduce function to multiply two numbers def multiply x. Return xt list of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 using reduce to multiply all elements in the list result reduce multiply numbers print result output 24. 2. Functools.partial. The partial function allows you to fix a certain number of arguments of a function and generate a new function. Partial. Example Python from functools import partial function to multiply two numbers def multiply x. Return x. Create a new function that multiplies by two double partial multiply to print double 5 output 10. 3. Functools catchy. The catchy decorator provides a way to catchy the results of function calls, which can be highly beneficial for expensive or IO-bound operations. It automatically catches the output of a function based on its inputs. Example Python from functools import catchy max size known unlimited catchy size def Fibonacci nifnu to return Fibonacci 1 Fibonacci 2 print Fibonacci 10 output 55. 4. Functools wraps. The wraps decorator is used to preserve the metadata of the original function when a decorator is applied. This is particularly useful for writing decorators. Example Python from functools import wraps def my decorator func wraps func. This will preserve the original functions. Metadata def wrapper args print something is happening before the function is called. Example Python from functools import total ordering class person def in itself name age self name self age def x self other return self age other age default self other return self age other age. Now you can do comparisons based on age pone personal other total 20 euro po, 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 so, po, po, to, leo, to, 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 po, to, you, po, to, po, oh, oh, yo, po, or oh, po, oh, po, oh, oh, po, oh, po, oh, 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 you, po, oh, you, po, oh, po, you, so. The functions and decorators provided by this module can help you write cleaner, more efficient, and more maintainable code. Feel free to explore these functionalities further and see how they can be applied to your projects.